On the delivery trail, we are in. What's the road name again? Easy to forget last, you know. Easy to forget last. Crescent Road. Yes. So, we're going to say the lovely, of course, Sadia. You know, so I have the wrong package to Sadia. Let me get the right package to Sadia. But look up the road and make sure so we're in the right place. Okay? Because Sadia, I don't want her to beat me for her package. I understand that she loves to fight. The last time I come here, she bought milk. Miss James.
Hi.
How are you?
Thank you.
No fighting today?
None
None at all? Alright. So look like you're off on the road.
Yes, I'm going on the road right now.
But that's why I'm have to meet you at roadside. I'm like the roadside something here and it's not becoming of me.
But I love how you guys are so efficient.
Okay.
And I love the fact that even when I'm on the go, I can still get my packages.
Good stuff. There you have it. She love our efficiency. She love the way we meet her anywhere at all she wants. Even up on the roadside.
Even on the roadside.
Alright, big up yourself. Have a wonderful day. Alright, good. On the delivery trail, that's a good one.